Rain and Kim Tae Hee recently captured the attention of multiple Chinese media outlets during their trip, praised for their newlywed energy and fashionable appearance. They were seen warmly interacting with fans and appearing genuinely happy, with Rain protecting Kim from the cameras. The couple, dressed in matching casual outfits, enjoyed their time strolling with friends while displaying affection and humor. Married since 2017, they share 2 daughters and have made headlines for real estate investments, including a 2021 purchase of a building in Seoul and a recent buy in Apgujeong.